press conference para anunciar que o Pink Walk está back e biaha aqui com cambio na onde que vira Pink Walk for Paws. O evento é biaha aqui está em colaboração conjuntamente com Xavier University divisão de local que está veterinário, local que nós também fazemos biaha aqui está com o Cana junto com o mascota, dia 25 de outubro, setor de mainta na Bushiribana Ruins, das na Goldmine. E caminata lá está saliendo de Nang e tur fundo que nós coletar e dia aqui também está para Mary Joan Foundation e parte de G também para a escola de veterinário de Xavier University, que está escola que agora aqui na Atlanta recentemente e na tabisa que ajuda tur e kachonang na Aruba. Ito kumisa ikaw na mesmo caminho que está na Bushiribana, na onde que está e Gold Ruins e na nang caminho caminata também tuma lugar.
I'm the president of the veterinary welfare group that we started here, and basically the goal of this event is to bring awareness to breast cancer, but also to include their pets that do the walk with them, because not only are they our companion animals, but they are also pets that can get breast cancer as well, which is mammary cancer, which is similar to breast cancer in humans. And so we are looking for everyone to come out and be a part of this event. It's going to be October 25th at 7 a.m. So we hope that so many of you guys come and participate, donate, all those things to be a part of this event. So we are going to provide snacks such as fruits, water. There's going to be cooling stations for the pets. We have a ton of door prizes. So some of the categories that we have is most creative, the most pink, the owner lookalikes. So it's going to be a fun event that you can expect. Door prizes. There's going to be, of course, the shirts that we are trying to get everybody to purchase. They're $20 USD or 35 florin. And then, so any of the pets that are involved with this, the donations are split between Mary Joan Foundation and our veterinary welfare group. What we plan on doing with the funds is that any pet that has like a major surgery or needs a major surgery or like extreme illnesses, so major surgery being like a broken leg or need heart surgery, an extreme illness would be like parvo or something like that, we're going to utilize those funds to help assist with the care, and in turn it helps everyone because as veterinary students we're able to follow that pet through the care, so we can get experience, we can help the owner of course and the pet, but it just builds the gap of our community being intertwined with each other and working with each other to make sure that our pets are taken care of just as much as the owner.